Finally, I want to demonstrate the Loft tool using more than just 2 sketch profiles. So I'll go ahead and delete Loft 1, and I'll delete sketch number 3. So currently we have our main face with the hexagon, and then I have plane number 1, and maybe halfway in between I'll add another plane. So I'll click on the face of our block. You can click the plane tool and it automatically initially selects the offset command. So maybe I'll offset that at 50 millimeters, about halfway in between. So now we have 3 planes, and I'm going to put a sketch on all 3 and loft them together. First, let's pick plane 2. I'll add a sketch to it, right click, view normal, and I'll just draw a rectangle. And I won't bother with dimensions. So when I'm finished, I'll go back to isometric view. You can see that this rectangle is now on the middle plane. Let's go ahead and add a sketch to the top plane. Right click, view normal. And this time I'll draw another rectangle, but I'll make it a little different shaped. You can press escape to pick the select command. Now we'll finish with this sketch. No dimensions are necessary. So I'll go back to an isometric view, and we have 3 sketches on 3 different planes, and now I will loft between them. So picking the loft command, I'll pick my first sketch. Now I'll pick the middle sketch profile. You can see the preview that's happening. And then finally, I'll click the last sketch profile. And Onshape does its best to blend everything together. So you can press the check, and I'll go ahead and hide the 2 planes so we can have a better view of it. Now Onshape did its best to go from 6 points on this hexagon up to 4 points on this middle rectangle. You can see how it chose to blend that together. So the loft command can be powerful. You can create a lot of organic and interesting shapes, but it can also be somewhat frustrating when its result is not what you desired.